And so I want you to imagine something. Now imagine that fruit juice vendor at the corner of your neighborhood or at the estate or wherever you are. Every neighborhood has that person who's just selling some amazing, sweet, tasty, fresh fruit juice. Now, one thing about this person, they really do not know. If you've ever studied them, especially the most successful ones, if you've ever studied their business model, they really do not squeeze and juice all the fruits they have. What they actually do, they wait until you come and request for fresh juice. Now that's when they start juicing. That is the exact model that print on demand applies. Now, when it comes to print on demand, you design a unique T-shirt and on the internet and upload it, and it only gets produced when someone purchases it. You produce that design is slapped on different products like T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and all these are the products we're going to talk about. And only when someone buys is when it is actually juiced and sent to them. Now, when someone purchases, the delivery is made and everything done, you earn what we call royalties. In this business model, you don't earn a salary, you earn royalties in print on demand. And if you've never had this thing called royalties, you're probably asking, so what do you mean by royalties? Now, royalties are payments that you get as a creator of a piece of art when someone repeatedly uses your art. It's like playing a song on radio all the time. So radio stations actually pay royalties to musicians. Now, the best example I can give you about royalties is that Mariah Carey, her estate, her business, her entire record label management actually earns $3 million each and every year, at least. $3 million from her famous Christmas song, All I Want From You Is Christmas. Very big song. Each and every Christmas season, Mariah Carey earns $3 million, at least. Imagine. And that is what royalties actually do. And print on demand applies the same concept. Or when it comes to your designs on products like phone cases, like hoodies, like mugs, like stickers, and all these other products, print on demand does the same. So the more popular your designs are, like Mariah Carey's song during Christmas, the more royalties you actually make. And the beauty about this is that you do not need to keep on working each and every time. Like Mariah Carey just produced the song once, it keeps on earning her the royalties. The same thing with print on demand, and that's why we love this business model. Now, the kind of income that comes from this is called passive income, because you work once and over the years you really do not do much. Money just comes in passively. So let's do this. Let's dive deep in right now to understand how TeePublic actually works. And this is my TeePublic store right now. This is how it looks like. I have an amazing cover photo. That is my wife, Fatma. I have 2,629 designs up, 58 people following me. I love putting my location. I'm Kenyan and I love my location, my bio. So make sure if you're starting up a TeePublic shop, make sure you put everything that I've put up here, your links and everything. If you do not want to put up your name, you can have a store name, but make sure that you open an Instagram account or all the other social media accounts with the name of your brand. Like I think my wife has opened hers with Banjoya, the brand she's running. So this are my albums, these are my designs over here. And if you click here on the left, now this the t-shirts. Now this is how the t-shirts look like. Let me show you how the t-shirts look like. Yes, this is how the t-shirts look like on this website. And remember, I just made one design, and the system automatically now distributes all this, automatically makes all this products for you. Just select a tick, just tick, and automatically everything is done for you. Now let's look at the tank tops. Now this is how the tank tops look like. The hats are here. The most recently introduced products on the website. The trucker hats, and I think they also have if I am not wrong, they do have the dad hats as well. Yeah, they do have the dad hats. Yes, doing really, really well. Love my boyfriend, love my girlfriend, really doing well. We have the wall arts as well. The wall art, I haven't sold much, but they're still there. What I've sold a lot of the mugs. Yes, I have sold this mugs, a lot of this mugs. I have sold a lot of mugs on TeePublic. The pillows as well. I've sold few, not a lot of them. A few, really. Yeah, maybe. And think about print on demand. It grows. It really grows. It depends on a trend, on a season. So as long as the products are there, you never know. You wake up one day, you're selling a lot of products. It's crazy. The totes are there. They look amazing. This is how the totes look like. And remember, just one design, if you've noticed, just one design being slapped on different products. That is what they actually do. The tapestries are here. Pins are really big. I never knew how big pins are until I started getting, I got on TeePublic, especially the political pins, the Trump pins. I sold a lot of this. Oh, my goodness gracious me. Gets crazy. What else do I have here? The phone cases. I haven't sold a lot of phone cases on TeePublic. TeePublic is not, I think, is known a lot for the apparels, not the phone cases, but I've sold a couple of them and they really look decent. They're decent enough. The stickers. Every day I have to sell stickers. Stickers really sell. They're the most sold things. People put stickers on their cars, put stickers on their bottles, put stickers on their computers, put stickers on their fridges, put stickers on their doors, put stickers on their bodies, put stickers everywhere. I never knew stickers were this big until I got on TeePublic. So it's crazy. The magnets for the fridge are also a big thing on TeePublic. Yes. One thing before I get out, this is just an overview of how the TeePublic looks before I get to set it up. If you click on at the top here, that's where you get what is trending right now. So Shut Up Hunky, John Cena, 4th of July is trending, wrestling, WWE, CM Punk. Yeah. All this is trending. Another pro tip before we leave here, you go down this tag directory. So tag directory. What did I just say? Oh my goodness. This life. Yo, tag directory. Yes. Tag directory is tag directory. Yes, you understand the tag directory. Okay, the tag directory is here, and you can see everything that is trending on TeePublic is always at the tag directory, and you can get it at the bottom. It's very hidden. I don't know why they hide it, but it's basically that's how it looks like. So let's go back to the presentation with the tag directory. Oh my goodness gracious.